Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So today I want to show you a different way I like to use my um, AI images that I make. I have a ton of images saved on my computer on an external hard drive. I have images everywhere, and I need to start using those images. Um, I did a video some months back on another way I use the AI images, which is creating blank line journals on Amazon KDP. But this I wanted to show you all, and I've been thinking about doing this and putting this on my shop, but I'm just not sure if I'm going to do it yet. But this is a daily page that I created here in Canva. I created this a while ago and it had just been sitting in my projects. This is a 8.5 by 11 daily page, but it's pretty neutral, right? It's pretty neutral. Let's see if I can bring it down a little bit so you can see the whole page. Um, might not be able to. Hold on. Here we go. I think I got it. So this is pretty much the whole page. So what I want to do is I want to add some of the AI images to the page to kind of decorate it a little bit and just, see how I like it. Um, So I'm going to go over here to my uploads just to see what I have in here. I have a ton of images in here. I probably need to delete some out. Um, I think I'm going to go with a blue theme because I have some images in here that I love and they are blue. So I'm just going to keep scrolling. All right, so I'm going to start by using this floral image here. So I'm just going to grab it and I'm going to go to edit photo and I'm going to remove the background on it. Have you all watched the Canva Create? I haven't watched it yet, and I haven't switched over to the new. Um, I forgot what they called it, but it's new. The new Canva. I haven't switched over yet. I may do that this weekend. Who knows? Anyway, I'm rambling. So here's the floral image that I took the remove the background. You can put it here. You can make it smaller and put it here in this box. So it kind of looks like you're, putting stickers on the page, right? But I don't want to put it there. I want to take it and I want to drag it up here to make it look like a corner sticker, right? Right. So I have a nice little flower there in the sticker and it's not really covering up my top priorities. And I can still write here. So let's see what else I got in here. I do a laptop, but I don't think I want to do a laptop. I think I want to do, let's take these pens. So I'm going to do edit image again and remove the background, take the background off of it. And I'm just going to stick the pens here. And then you size them to your liking, how you want them sized. And then I'm going to take um, something, find something to go there. These images are really pretty. I made them in ChatGPT. Um, I actually have a journaling kit made. I just haven't put the kit out on my shop yet. Um, I will soon though. Let me find the image I'm looking for. I'll be right back. All right, I found her. And I have some images on my store. I call them Blazer Beauties. And they're basically little chibi dolls wearing blazers and different outfits. And I have them in the regular PNG and then the PNG with the white outline behind them. I have those on my shop. So if you're interested, I always link my shop below. Um, so images like her, I love her. Love, love, love her. Um, so I can take her and size her down a little bit. and then just stick her in the box there. All right. I think that's really cute. So I'm going to try and add maybe one more thing um, to this page. This is actually fine for me. I could print this out and punch holes in it and stick it in my planner. Um, I don't really use an 8.5 by 11 planner, but I do have a happy planner that is 8.5 by 11. So I could print these pages out and put them in that. And I also made this in a 7 by 9. Um, but again, I wasn't sure if I want to put these on my shop or not. But anyway, rambling again. So I want to put something else on here. See if I can find it. All right, so this right here, I want to put this down as like a washi type deal. So I'm going to go over here to Elements and grab this square here and let me hit duplicate. I want one for the top and the bottom. Actually, delete one. So I want to change the size of this one. I just want to see how this looks. I'm not even sure how this will look. I'm trying to do like a washi tape type deal. And then I want to do it at the bottom here as well. Stretch this out. All right, so I got that. So now I want to go back to uploads. I want to grab this digital paper here and put it across the top. I don't know if I like it across the top, but let's see what it looks like at the bottom. Ooh, that's pretty. I don't know if I like it across the top. Um, I will delete that. Delete frame. All right. So now I have like a decorated planner page. And all I would have to do is print this out, punch holes in it, and put it in my planner. All right, so that's another way that I use AI images. Again, I was thinking about making a lot of these using some of the images that I made and posting them on my shop. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I don't know how to make this bigger so you can kind of see. I say that as I'm making it bigger, right? So let me know what you think. Let me know, do you think this is a good way to use AI images just to be a little bit more creative? This is, I like planning. I like using daily pages and I like decorating my daily pages. So um, I think it's cute. Let me know in the comments what you think. All right. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one.